Today we are going to unboxing Redmi's first gaming smartphone, Redmi K40 Gaming Edition. First open the box. Inside of the box front side one more mini box, inside some paperwork and TPU case. Then mobile phone, then AC adapter and Type-C cable. This adapter supports 67 watts fast charging, then Type-C cable. It's compared to play games. This is white color phone looking amazing. Then this device running MI UI 12.5. Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra come with MI UI 12. Compared to is better. Dimensity 1200, new brand new processor. It's MediaTek. The Pajama score 7 lakhs 6000. It's not bad. Compared to Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, its design wise mostly same. Chain also it's same. But it's budget device. Okay, gaming wise, this device have the two triggers. Also, this device support 90 FPS per second. Wow, gaming wise it's unbreakable. Camera wise, this device have 64 MP. Camera quality always is quite good. This is quick unboxing. Coming up, I am upload depth review on K40 gaming edition.
2, 1, 2, don't stop, and I'm fire.